All right, now the oil line's out. It's draining some oil, so we're just gonna leave a pan in there to catch it and move on to the next step. Since we're down here, we're gonna remove this heat shield right here, and that'll gain access to this pan to remove it so we can drain the power steering fluid. Now that we've removed the heat shield, we have access to the lower valve covers. We're gonna pull the spark plug wires out of cylinders 4, 5, and 6. Of course, I'm going the opposite way. This is 6, 5, and 4. Now we're going to remove the engine tin on the passenger side on the bottom end. We're going to remove the 5 bolts holding it, one located here, here, and 3 right here.